Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sana. You are watching Sana Tech YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to teach you how to fix iPhone volume to low, how to troubleshoot iPhone call volume issue after update iOS 17 without wasting any time. Let's start this video. Solution number 1, check the volume setting. Simply tap on dialer and check the volume. If the volume is too low, simply volume up and problem is fixed. If solution number 1 is not working, now applying this solution number 2. Solution number 2 is restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, press the volume down button and press the power button. When you see Apple logo appears on screen, and release the power button and 5 to 10 seconds wait and restarting your iPhone and problem is fixed. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying this solution number 3. Solution number 3 is remove any screen protector or case. These accessories can sometimes block the speaker, resulting in low volume. Simply remove protector and problem is fixed. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying this solution number 4. Solution number 4 is clean the speaker. Use a brush and clean the speaker and fix your problem. Be sure to dry the brush completely before using it and problem is fixed. If solution number 4 is not working, now applying this solution number 5. Solution number 5 is reset network setting. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset setting, tap on reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen reset network settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. Tap on reset network settings to confirm this action and problem is fixed. If solution number 5 is not working, now applying this solution number 6. Solution number 6 is factory reset iPhone. Firstly, tap on setting app. You can see appears on screen. Scroll up, tap on general, scroll up, tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on raise all content and settings, tap on continue, enter your iPhone passcode. You can see appears on screen and Apple ID password and problem is fixed. If all solutions are not working on your iPhone, simply contact with support.apple.com and fix your problem. How to fix iPhone volume to low, how to troubleshoot iPhone call volume issue after update iOS 17 is successfully. That's it. If the video helpful to you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.